everybody. Welcome back to the channel. All right, there it is. The, 99% complete Arado 196 by Airfix. This is Series 2 kit. Come out and it was a new tool in 1966. And I'm going to tell you what it is, for that old of a kit, it's fantastic. The only issue I had with it was the decals. And we're not even going to go into that. So with the issue with the decals, with that being addressed, with a little help from Jared over at Rebels at Cloud9, I want to say thank you to him. He was kind enough to send me over a paint diagram for a kit that had been painted up similar to this. If you're not subscribed to Jared, please go over and check him out. He is one heck of a modeler. Very, 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 very talented young man. I'll put a link to his channel below. And so let's just give it a little spin around. I started this the 19th of February. The 19th of March. Last week. Oh, look at that. I forgot to put the 50 cal on. Oh well. I've also got to put rigging on it. I've got rigging. I've got line for the rigging up there. I just did not use it because, quite frankly, it's way out of scale. And I'll just order some easy line to do the rigging between the pontoons on the bottom. Yeah, I mean, it come out really decent. I was really impressed. The cockpit interior leaves a lot to be desired. I mean, there's really nothing there. So I went digging around in the spare decal box, and I found a instrument panel for the front up here, and as well as the you can't see it because it's all closed up, but trust me, it's there. There's a little radio console, whatever. Excuse me, that goes right there. The ailerons are functional. Both ailerons. As well as the rudder. Excuse me, the elevator. The rudder is the only thing that is not operational. The rudder on the aircraft itself, as well as the rudder on the pontoons. Oh crap. Keep the prop does spin. I'm gonna leave it alone before I just make a complete idiot out of it, and out of myself as well. Those Hino Maros are they're painted on. That was my first time ever trying to paint markings on an aircraft, and this particular aircraft that had the only markings on it were the Hino Maros. And I think maybe, if I recall right, there might have been a red stripe across the pontoons right along this line here somewhere. And if that's the case, I'll just get some vinyl, a little sheet of vinyl, and cut that out and put on it. So yeah, there you have it. 1966 Airfix Series 2 Arado 196. Let me know what you guys think. This is one of those kits that if I could find another one, I would revisit it and try and do a little more with it. But it is what it is, and I'm going to display it. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers that watch this channel. Every one of you, the new ones, the old ones, especially the 12 originals. I know who you are. You know who you are. you guys, the 12 original guys, and it seemed like they all signed up at once. Wow. Anyway, thanks to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, enjoying your Sunday, enjoying your weekend. Until next time, everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great week.